Hello and welcome to the Voodoo free video for Monday, January 6th. This is David, and let's take a look at NVDA, which on a closing basis looks like it printed a new high today, but not on an intraday basis. Wasn't able to get above this November peak. Look, there's a lot of anticipation for this evening's Consumer Electronics Show keynote address by Jensen Huang, and you can find articles all over the internet what to watch for. Here's what I'm going to be watching for, and it's going to be the interplay with these voodoo line levels here, potentially overnight and into tomorrow. Now, the most most important of our voodoo line levels is this voodoo fire line down at 131.51. And this is notable not only because we spent really all of or most of the fourth quarter above that level, but we've tested it a few times from above and either held it or quickly recovered those times that we didn't, including this last test from above that didn't get back to it and continued up. Holding this fire line and working away from it to the upside establishes a bullish roadmap. Now, it's hard to say how far the roadmap may lead. The next interim target would be this tree line, a second degree level, up at 162.54 cents. Now, again, that doesn't mean we get all the way there. What we need to see is navigation of these intermediate levels between the fire line and the tree line, and these are those third degree snow lines. We closed Friday above 143.36, and today attempted to surmount this 150.69 level, but we're turned back down just like we were in mid-November. So the next step is if NVIDIA is going to work towards that 162.5 area, is going to be establishing support above 150.69. Now, being where we are right now, between 150.69 and 143.36 is not a problem, especially if pullbacks test and hold that 143.36 would be just sort of the normal backing and filling that can go on within bullish roadmaps below that 143.36, and then it becomes consequential whether we hold 131.51, right? So that's the level we really need to see to hold onto the potential for an immediate bullish roadmap. And so long as we navigate these snow lines upwards, that keeps 162.5 on the agenda. So that's what I'm watching here. We will see how the market reacts to the Consumer Electronics Show address, and I will see you next Monday for another update. Hey, David here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for taking a few minutes to watch this video. I hope you found it useful. And if you did, please help us out. Click the like button. You can also add your comments below. We love to read those and respond to them. You can also click the bell icon. That will alert you whenever we have new and updated videos. And if you want to watch us trade in real time with our own money, you can visit simplertrading.com to learn how to sign up. Until I see you again, as always, good trading, and we'll see you at the next video.